Solar generation can be optimized in many ways, such as high efficiency modules, smart inverters, energy storage systems, and more. While these methods empower the performance of the system itself, there exists adaptive technologies that improve the most vital aspect of photovoltaic power, getting the most out of sunlight. Kseng Metal Tech acknowledges this opportunity through its one-axis solar tracker, a mounting system that adjusts to get the most optimal area of illumination for your solar panels. This unique line of trackers utilizes astronomical algorithms along with artificial, intelligence-controlled, closed-loop tracking. This means that both predictive measurements of the sun's position along with light sensors are used to determine the best positioning for the photovoltaic arrays. A highly thin accuracy of 1 degree is guaranteed by this technology. The product comes in 3 models: the KST-1P, KST-2P and KST-2PM. The first two come with 1 mechanical drive unit, and the KST-2PM can be made with up to 4 units. A selection of up to 2 rows of 90 portrait-oriented panels, or a total of 180 panels, can be carried by the multi-drive models. The KST trackers are adaptable to terrain sloping up to 10 degrees in the north and south direction. All slopes on the west-east axis can be accommodated for the tracker's rotation, which reaches up to 60 degrees in each direction. The self-powered main control unit can communicate through RS485 wired ports or wireless Zigbee connections. Protections for nighttime stowage, overload and system faults are incorporated into the tracker's monitoring system. National high-tech enterprise Xiamen Kseng Metal Tech Company Limited proudly invests in the research, development and stringent testing of new mounting technologies. Exporting to more than 100 countries, the company takes on the challenge of innovating for the future of renewable energy.